This is DJI Neo, and today I'll show how you can switch the shooting mode between video and photo on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Fly app. Here at the bottom, select Controls. Then at this, below the drop-down menu, first of all, make sure that you are in the manual control mode here, not in the follow, since as you can see, all modes other than manual control do not provide you with those, options, at least before the drone took off, that is. So select manual control, and here, left of shutter button, you'll find the icon that allows you to switch between video mode. So once the shutter button is red, that means that you are in the video shooting mode. And once it is white, plain white, that means that you are in the photo mode. As simple as that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.